Hey guys, it's Cole from A+ Power Sports. Today we're going to take a look at this awesome 2021 RZR Pro XP4. Now this machine is fully decked out with tons of accessories. We're going to give you a little rundown of what we have installed. All right, this customer is going to be riding this RZR mostly in northern Wisconsin and upper peninsula of Michigan. So we have tons of accessories that are going to help us for our kind of trail riding. To start off, down below we have a 4,500 pound Polaris winch. This has rapid rope recovery on it, and it also has a Bluetooth remote which allows us to step outside of the vehicle and operate the winch without having to be tethered to our front passenger seats. Our front brush guard on the front here, not only does it look really nice, but it gives us tons of protection in case something were to happen to this machine. Up top we have a windshield. Now we go with a full windshield on this machine. You never know in northern Wisconsin when it's going to rain. It has a vent down the center here. Once you open this up, it brings tons of air, cool air from the outside into the cab, so it's almost like not having a windshield. Now I went with a glass windshield on this because we have a front windshield wiper. Now the nice thing with the front windshield wiper is this machine throws a lot of water and mud up over the front of the machine when you're hitting mud and water holes at high speed. So when your windshield gets covered with mud, it's definitely hard to see, but we have window washer fluid down at the bottom. It'll spray up so we can easily wash off the mud and give us a clear view of vision. On this build, we went with a black aluminum roof. Now this is right from Polaris. It fits extremely nice and gives you tons of protection from the elements. We also did Polaris side mirrors. These are foldable, so if you were to hit something or going through tight spaces, you're able to fold these in easily, but it gives you a great field of view while you're in the driver's seat. Polaris has partnered with Rockford Fosgate for their audio systems this year. So we have two full-size speakers in the bottom here, two tweeters in the front. There's two more speakers right from the factory in the rear. But to add that bass, we have a 12-inch Rockford Fosgate subwoofer underneath the dash that adds tons of low-end bass to the sound system. To add even more sound to this system, we added the additional Rockford Fosgate 2-speaker add-ons. Now this adds tons of extreme power to the sound system to match our bass. Polaris has tons of storage options for the new RZR Pro XP. What we went with on this build is the rear storage box and the 30-quart cooler to keep our drinks cold. To make this build as versatile as possible, we installed a Super ATV 2-inch rear receiver. Now this allows us to haul trailers and not only just have our rear D-ring for towing. Since this machine is going to be rode in northern Wisconsin in early spring and late fall, we have a heater installed on this. The Polaris heater comes with really nice control knobs. You have two vents down by the passenger and driver's feet, along with defrosters so we don't fog up the windshield while we're riding. Wisconsin has tons of ATV road routes that you can ride. This RZR, to make it a little bit safer for cars on the road to see us, we installed the blinker kit. There's two blinkers on the front and two in the rear. Polaris does a really nice job of adding accessories and being able to control them. So there's tons of knockouts here for your rocker panels. You have a blinker system on this machine. So we have our hazard switch, our left and right blinkers, we have a horn, and this is the Polaris wiper system. All right, that showcases some of our accessories on our build for the perfect RZR for northern Wisconsin. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see all my latest weekly videos. Check out my current inventory at aplusride.com. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.